Well, hello there everybody, it's David, your friendly hairy Scotsman here once again. Now, today I'm going to do another little bit of cooking. I was having a look through the fridge there and I found a bagel. Cinnamon and raisin bagel. Which has been sitting in there for quite a while because I completely forgot all about it. It is, how can I put this? A little bit on the firm side. So I've got a couple of options. I could stick it in the bucket, or I could throw it out for the birds, or I could make something quite edible out of it. So what I've decided to do is make something edible out of it. Show you that even if it's slightly over date, if it's alright, there's no food on it, it's just a little bit on the firm side. Absolutely nothing wrong with it, you can still eat it quite happily. So, today what I'm going to do is cut the bagel in half, which I'll do just now. It's quite a simple thing, just hack straight through there. I'm glad I've got a really strong sharp knife. Bagel, cutting the bit into two halves. Then we're going to use some eggs and make up a small omelette for it. So I'll show you how to do that in a second. Okay, so back again and open up the eggs. Break that into my bowl. Shells go in there. Just wipe my hands a wee bit, that's fine. A little splash of milk. Some pepper. As my phone gives me a message, right at the wrong time. There we go. And just whip up the egg and the milk, salt and pepper. Like so. And we dip the bagel. Make sure it's all well coated. Spin it over. Let it soak up the egg. Now it's really important that it soaks the egg because this is what's going to soften it up. You can see the bubbles coming out there as well. Just let that sit for a second or two. I'm going to pop the pan on. Let the frying pan get a little bit warmer. Put the eggs over there. Getting ready in a second, and then we'll move over to the pan. So I'll bring these over just now, like so. Sort of move these a wee bit so I can get it in just nicely. There we go. And I'm going to pop a bit of oil in. Like so. Let that warm through a wee bit. Bring this over again. And plonk it in there like that. As you can see, it's going to come up quite nicely. Not got it on too high a heat because we want it to build the heat through it slowly. And what I also do at this point is pour some more of the egg on here and into the middle, like so. Oh, see the smell of this at the moment is amazing. We'll just let that set up a bit. Because as you know, I don't like my omelettes runny. That was quite a big egg by the looks of it as well, so what we'll do, we'll let it firm up in the middle a little bit. Which will happen quite soon. You can see it's starting to colour around the edges as well at the moment, so we'll pop in like this, flip this over like that, let that get a chance to get a bit of colour on it now. Off they go. So that's going to cook through. You may think that this is going to be a bit odd, but the egg actually softens up the bagel quite nicely. Just make sure it keeps moving. Bits that are on the outside there that weren't in contact, will give them a little chance just to colour up. It's looking amazing already. What I'll do, I'll flip it over another once. Like that. For a second or two. And then I'll remove it and make up the other one. I won't let you put you through doing the second one. So head off just now, I'll be back in a couple of seconds when this is ready. Okay, so we're back again. That's the second one done. Now, what we do, hope I've got enough here, we've got a splash of tomato ketchup on there, and some on there. I thought I had more in it than I do. So, pop that on there like that, we give it a spread round. Like so, you can probably see that's a lot softer than it was earlier. Splash in there like so. Give that bit of wee splash on there. Like this. Now this bagel was pretty much a case of throw it out, give it to the birds or whatever. But no. There's that. Opening up some grated cheese. And nice mature cheddar, which is pre-grated, which just makes it easier for me. And sprinkle some on around like this. You don't need too much. There's that phone going again. Quite popular today by the looks of it. Bit more cheddar in here. Give it an outer edge. Like so. Tiny wee bit on a bit of omelette that fell off. How does that look? That looks quite nice. Then a little splash of Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce. Just a little sprinkle on, just to give it a wee bit more bite. Can't beat some fermented anchovy, can you? That's looking good, like so. Now, bring in a grill pan, like so. That goes there like that. That goes on like that. So that sits there. Pop it into the grill, which I've just put on, for a couple of minutes. Just tidy up the plate a wee bit. Like this. Cheese back that's left. Pull that up. Back elastic band on. It's in there. Worcester sauce and tomato sauce back in the cupboard. And we're almost ready. Just check this out. Another minute or so, and we will be rocking. That in the pot. We're almost done. Okay, I'll pop the grill off, like so. Wow, the smell of these at the moment is absolutely stunning. That's one. There goes number two. So there's a quick wipe. So I've got a dot of sauce on it. Can go back. So that can go off. Going to place a quick wipe round. How does that look, folks? Does that just look good or what? So what we'll do, pop that over a wee bit. Clean the knife. And we'll cut into this. Let you see what it looks like. That is a lot easier to cut into than it was at the start. There you go. All nice and cooked up. Let's take a chunk off it. Scrape that in there like so. And up the camera comes. Find me in here somewhere. We'll stick it on wide again. Now, there we go. Just like that. And that is so good. Take the end off there, which is a little bit of the omelette that's just spilled over. Which is like that. You've got the taste of the cinnamon and raisin in the bagel, which is accentuated by the warming it up. You've got the taste of the omelette, you've got the taste of the cheese, a little kick from the Worcester sauce, and that is just a lunch, which is perfect. used up something that would have gone out to the birds or just got thrown out or whatever. Saved it, made a meal out of it. Cost pennies, what, a couple of eggs, splash of milk, a bagel. So 20p for a bagel, what, 20p each for the eggs, splash of milk, a little bit of cheese. So probably well under £1 to make that. And that is a lovely filling lunch. And that phone is really starting to get on my nerves now. So I hope you're all keeping well. I hope you give this a wee try. Let me know how it tastes down below. Stay safe everyone, and I'll talk to you all really soon. Take care.